Welcome to the overview of SPEEDE. What is SPEEDE? SPEEDE is a service that was originated by the American Association of Collegiate Registrars and Admission Officers, also known as ACRA. SPEEDE began in 1995 and the clearinghouse acquired management in 2013. Even though the clearinghouse took over SPEEDE, it still runs fundamentally the same as before. SPEEDE is used by over 400 institutions to freely send academic data to each other. This includes secondary institutions sending to post-secondary institutions and post-secondary institutions sending to post-secondary institutions. The service sounds great, so what does it cost to participate? The answer is nothing. The SPEEDE participants do not pay anything to use the SPEEDE service. The clearinghouse operates the SPEEDE server, which is used to transmit data. We utilize only secure transmission protocols, and, for data in our system, we use encryption at rest technology to keep your data safe. The clearinghouse does not store files for any extended period of time. SPEEDE currently supports EDI and XML file types. Both formats must follow PESC standards. If you have questions about SPEEDE, please contact SPEEDE-support@studentclearinghouse.org.